Alright guys, Biff here. Welcome back, and today I'm gonna share with you my latest purchase, a very cheap PS4 Pro. I know I'm late in the game, but I just couldn't pass the opportunity. As part of the PC Master Race, console gaming is not really a priority. But now, things changed. Consoles have higher dev priority, at least for the games that I like. The PS4 price, especially in the used category, is now continuously dropping since the PS5 debut. Because people just want the next new thing. But as I've seen it in most life cycles, last gen consoles will still continue developing games. Give it 5 or more years till it's dead. It will eventually die, but not now, not yet. Next gen consoles have not yet acquired the whole market, and making games for it would be a big risk for producers. It is too early. Join me in unboxing my new used 13K PS4 Pro. Let's do this. Games are also dropping prices, especially in the used category. There are some AAA titles that still have 2,000 to 3,000 pesos premium price, but here you can only see 600 to 800 pesos. Let's talk about the first few physical games that I picked. God of War is a reboot of the classic action-filled God of War series. They toned down Kratos in this game where he embarks a journey with his son. I'm loving the story so far. I once told my buddy, Pawn Bear, that this would be one of the main reasons I'd get the PS4. I post my gameplays after Detroit. I hope you like them.
What are you doing? Now his guard is up. Only fire. Only fire. When I tell you to fire.
Next is the Nathan Drake collection. This was highly recommended to me and I was curious about the hype. This is a remastered collection of 3 games, originally released for the PS3. And they really live up to the expectations. Full-blown cinematic experience filled with action and Indiana Jones type of exploration.
Okay in there? Hurt?
What's happening? It's breathing. Dead. It's breathing. It's breathing. He knows she's getting closer. He can feel her coming closer. She's getting.
Hellblade: Senua's Sacrifice is the very first game I played in this channel, and I couldn't resist buying this again for my PS4 collection. The studio that made this game was recently purchased by Microsoft, and I just hope they won't make it an Xbox exclusive.
All of her suffering will have been for nothing. It's just a matter of time.
I also bought Shadow of the Colossus, which I played way back in PS2 but never completed. And lastly, The Last Guardian. I only played the first few parts of the game, and I think I'm loving it. It has similar gameplay elements with the Shadow of the Colossus. My nephews, Yugi and Buboy, also shared their digital games. The top of my list, Ghost of Tsushima and Final Fantasy VII Remake.
Get down here, Merc.
These games still have a premium price in the Philippines, even for used ones.
I am Harunobu Adachi, descendant of the legendary Yoshinobu Adachi.
It has been a very long time I had this question on my mind, and I want to prove it not only to you but to myself as well. Yes, all the voice changers that I reviewed works for the PS4. I will post some gameplay videos with my nephew soon, so watch it. I am very pleased with my decision, and owning a very cheap PS4 Pro is, I think, something to be proud of. The PS4 Pro is still more than 20,000 pesos right now, and with no physical or internal defects, I'm so happy I got this. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. I provided a link to the seller's shop down below in the description, and my only tip for buying online, whether used or not, is for you to be sure that the items can be returned if anything goes wrong. Read the description, warranty information, and package list thoroughly, and make a background check first by reading the comments and ratings. Like and share to show your love, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell if you want to know more of my latest game picks and unboxings. That's it for now. See you on the next one. God bless.